Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, you're not. Today is fan mail. Could be any day, fan mail any day.
Hello!
But my lovely wife said, hey, let's try it in someplace different other than the patio, which she came up with a great idea. Everybody likes tailgating, whether it's for a sporting event or just sitting outside drinking beer, hanging out with friends. So we're doing a simulated tailgate party, right?
Tailgate. Tailgate fan mail.
Yeah, but the tailgate's kind of rough because it like pushes between your butt
I
crack
put a
and your
blanket
knees.
on here so it'd be a little softer.
And Terry has a little thing down to her left to help her get up here because she couldn't push herself up.
Yeah.
So which, like, we were kind of cracking up when we both got up here because I was laughing. I
might
stop.
add a clip of that at the end. I'm not sure. I'll see what it looks like in the editor.
I'm sure it's funny. There's a couple good views there for me.
Yeah.
So
how's your chest?
my chest is good. Well, it's still sore, but last video, on the sliding board, I sort of got spun around and turned upside down. Got a brush burn knee, brush burn elbow, and I think I cracked a rib up here in my chest, or pulled a chest muscle pretty bad because it's been hurting breathing. And yeah, as you get older, sometimes
I think when he went down the slide and he turned over, I don't know if you could see it, but his arm got hung up on the bottom of the slide. So it kind of pulled it there while his whole body is going down. So he's sore if he lifts his arm up, or it's just going to take a couple weeks to heal. But it was funny watching it back in the editor, seeing him flip at that last second.
And then all you do is you go off the sliding board and you go underwater and you yell all kinds of profanities underwater, basically, and then you come up and then you see, hey, didn't anybody see me do that? You know, but it was.
And I think I'll just add that video at the end so that if anybody didn't see it, they could see it.
Yeah, because that was it. That was all part of our fishing video from Carolinas.
Yeah.
Which was a great time. So, but today is fan mail, so I'll start off. Or do you want to start off with a letter?
No, you can start off. Do you know your shoes are untied?
Yeah, I think you already said that.
Huh?
And I said I always wear them this way, especially around, not working or anything, but just casually around. I always wear them with them untied. It's more comfortable that way.
Yeah, but it's dangerous. You could step on your shoelace.
No, it's only when somebody tells you. That's when you step on it. So, here's a real long one here. Uh-oh, there's stuff in it. Uh-oh. This is going, oh, it's a license plate.
Ooh.
Joseph and Mary. Oh, that's very nice. And this is a long one.
Well, there we go.
Dear Ridgway World, hello there. Welcome to the York world. I'm Ray York, and you're not. I'm a school student from Lockport, New York. I was watching you guys through MJN and LL and have been watching every video since. You guys decided to join YouTube. I've been a fan of yours ever since the Psycho series, and my favorite series are MVE and the Ursula series. My handwriting is horrible. Uh-oh. So Terry's going to have to jump down and get that. That'd be, no, I'm kidding.
That's just the empty envelope, so we don't have to.
So, yeah, he says, my handwriting is horrible, so I decided to lessen the stress on your brain by making a typed letter. You guys brighten my day. Speaking of, I want to thank you guys for keeping a high spirit for the fans, which we've always kind of been high-spirited in everything we do, right?
Yeah,
so,
well, we always have fun,
right?
No matter what.
And that's the key to life, guys. You got to have fun, guys and gals. Sorry, but yeah, have fun. Life's problematic enough, but yet to go around and not have fun, yeah, it's.
And for those of you who don't know, Joseph was Jeff's character in MVE, which is my virtual escape, one of Jesse's series, and I was Mary. Actually, Mary 2.
Mm-hmm.
I was Mary 2. The number 2. I think.
It's never good to be 2. Number 2.
Maybe TOO, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Yeah, so speaking of what, I want to thank you guys for keeping high spirits, blah, blah, okay. And then I understand this is a rather long letter, but things come in big sizes. That's what she said. So I hope you all are having fun on vacation this year. I hope you guys film some videos while you're there. I just got back from Las Vegas for the first time in remembrance of my late mother. Sorry for your loss.
We were in Vegas once. I liked it.
Yeah, I think the Boulevard was kind of weird though. Remember that dude, that big husky dude had that fake baby strapped to him? It was kind of weird.
Well, they have a lot of people on the street, so, you know.
And they were giving out all these stripper club cards, too. Remember that? They were giving them to everybody.
God.
I'm just saying, then they had billboards going by that had stuff on it. It was a weird event.
Okay.
But the fountains were nice, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So, okay, remember my family tries to go somewhere every year on a birthday. Last year was Los Angeles. Los Angeles is nice, a little hectic. And the year before was at Virginia Beach. Virginia Beach is nice. Now onto the content-wise. I've been loving this prank thing. I'm very much like that. It gives off the vibe from when it was the Psycho Series prank war, and I hope you win. Well, I always try to win. Well, Terry and I both always try to win. So,
yeah,
well, you know,
we're gonna win.
Longevity is there's longevity. Eventually, we will win, one way or the other. Blah, 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 blah. Within this package, you may already have seen the little motorcycle plate things. I was in Vegas and was thinking of you guys. We greatly appreciate you thinking of us.
It's very thoughtful, thank you.
And I saw one of those spiny racks with a bunch of names, and I couldn't find Jeff or Teresa or Terry, but I saw Joseph and Mary and immediately thought of MVE and decided to grab them. I hope you guys enjoy. Do you want to read the whole thing?
Huh?
You want to read the whole thing?
No, we can read the rest of it
Right.
to ourselves.
Oh, okay. But either way, I want to appreciate.
We've got some personal notes
Okay.
too. Yeah, we can read that.
Yeah, this Ray put together a couple personal questions
we
here.
could always end it.
Yeah, and then I'll come down in here. So I'll do the personal things. Jeff, do you regret leaving the lawn care service, and do you miss your old customers? I had a lot of customers that were good to me over the years, and I felt very I felt that I was letting them down when I stopped the lawn business, but I had to take in consideration, you know, my well-being, my family's well-being, and you know, it was time. So, but yeah, do I miss some of the customers? Yeah, but again, I was providing a service, they were paying me, so you know, it's very hard. But I do miss it. I like working, and it was enjoyable. So, also, have you ever watched MVE? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were in it, we watched it, we lived it, but
We
no, it was
loved
very
it.
good.
We cried.
Yeah, and he goes that I know that a lot of actors don't watch movies they're in, so I was wondering if you have. And again, we have.
Well, it is. But we're very critical of ourselves, you know, and maybe weren't happy with all of our deliveries. But the story was awesome, and so we kind of got wrapped up in watching it too, just like a fan would, you know.
And does anybody else have an issue? Because I do. Is when you hear your voice recorded, it really bothers me. And Terry, when she edits, she has the volume up, and I got to walk out of the room because I can't stand to hear my voice. And I know it's a personal issue, but I don't know if anybody else has that issue too. So
yeah, I do too, because sometimes it'll come off like it sounds really like nasally and loud.
Right. But it just doesn't sound what you think you sound like. So once you hear it, I got to get out of the room.
Yeah.
And speaking of like sounds of things, last night Terry and I were in Philly for a wedding. Buddy of mine's daughter got married, and you ever get into a situation where the music is so loud and you're sitting across probably from the camera to where we're sitting, and a buddy of mine was there that him and I, we went to since kindergarten or grammar school together, and he's high strung, and he was talking.
He's full of love.
Yeah, he's full of love. But he's talking the whole time, and I'm just going like this, because I can't hear him because the music is so loud. And I know we talked about it on the ride home.
Yeah.
And it's a shame.
Well, sometimes you just have to say, yeah, and you don't know what he's saying.
Right. It's just like Seinfeld with a puffy shirt, you know.
But I think he knows that you're doing that.
Yeah. But either way, I just different situations, and I figured we'd bring that one up. Okay, here's a Terry question. Do you ever wake up expecting to go to work?
It hasn't happened yet, but I do have, when I'm driving, if my mind is not focused, I will make that turn like I am going to work. And then I will turn and I'll be like, what are you doing? Where are you going? And I'm sure you guys do that too. It's just I'm not focused, and just out of sheer habit, just go right to work. But I haven't had that morning thing yet. But I know what he's talking about, because I've had that back in school. I can remember you would wake up on the weekend and you think, oh my God, I'm late for school.
Right.
Yeah.
So you've done it, and you do.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here's another question he has. I've been looking into cameras, and he also wants to know what camera we use.
We're using actually the vlogging camera a lot because I like it. It's so much lighter, but it's a Sony. I want to say Z7 or something like that. Um, but I like it. I think the picture's good. The sound's good. Yeah.
Good.
We do have the one that Jesse had given us. It's a Canon 70D, but I can't handle that one as well.
Right.
So we don't use it as much.
And Ray has some other stuff on here that I won't go into, but again, Ray, if you ever need to chat, I'll try to do my best on Twitter. DM or something like that. If you got questions. So, ooh, that one's heavier. Let's go to this one. This is a big envelope. This is from Levi Miller. Levi, he's a steady person to send stuff to us. Oh boy. Levi, you got me on that one. Hey everybody, you're going to see some technical difficulties here. Our cameras.
Well, actually, they won't see it.
Oh, you won't see it.
What happened was, we opened all the fan mail. It cut off right at 15 minutes, or I don't know why. Just after I say I love this camera, right? I like using this camera. For some reason, it shut off, and we missed not seeing that red light.
Yes.
So none of what we recorded opening these.
And it was so good, you missed everything. Oh, it's so sad.
No, we're going to go over the whole thing again, just to,
But again, everything's open, but we'll do our best to get.
And I don't know if you guys have ever had that happen, but man, you get a bad feeling in the pit of your stomach when you put that disc in and you see that it's not all there. So I hope we're going to keep an eye on this.
Yeah.
Time.
So we got the little red light on the Sony and the screen. We got to look at.
So,
and my puffy hat.
Yes, we have to say that this
whole outfit,
beautiful ensemble is courtesy of Abby Larson. Thank you, Abby.
Thank you, Abby.
This is absolutely awesome. I love it.
I think Terry wants me to wear this to bed.
No, but I mean...
Without the clothing. Oh, sorry.
Okay, let's not go there.
Why? I was just kidding around. That's what I do.
But I love the hat.
Right.
And he must
It's
wear
a puffy
that.
hat.
We have to do a video of like him cooking his chicken, because he does make a good Ridgway chicken.
Ridgway chicken, yes.
On the grill. So I think if he wears that outfit, it would just be perfect. So
okay.
I don't know.
So again, let's go back to where I think we cut off. We had all these letters in a FedEx envelope from Levi Miller, and I think Levi was trying to save a few bucks on postage, which I give him a lot of credit for.
A good idea.
But we started with the first one we opened, and lo and behold, no hate needed, just love from Uncle Larry's Lounge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that like a dig maybe by sending that? And then we also got a copy of the Psycho series poster. So Levi, I'm not going to go through all of these, but I will later and check everything out though, because there is quite a few, as you see. And Terry said something about, are they all to you?
They're all to him.
Yeah. They are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you got 6 more here.
Right.
You don't have to open them.
Yeah, I won't. I'll put them over
that's the only one that
my
seems something was in
to-do
it.
pile or my honey-do list.
So now this one here you absolutely love.
I love this one, yes. And this is from Guy Nelson, and he's the Elite Sports Promotions Agency, the president. I love this because this is part of Lambeau Field. I don't know if anybody. This is a game-used piece of Lambeau Field in here, and it's authentic. And the big earring, the big Green Bay ring. Guy, thank you so much. And I tell everybody this. I'm a true green and cheesehead. I do love the Eagles though, but I mean I've always been a Packers fan since probably the age of 4 or 5 or 6. So, but Guy, thank you so much.
That always changes too. But he's been a Packers fan for a long time.
Yeah, a long time.
He enclosed a couple business cards.
Yep.
He has an Elite Sports Promotion Agency and EliteSportsShop.com too. So, and he has collectibles, rare stadium and team collectibles. So that's something.
But so
that
it's very thoughtful.
check out,
That very thoughtful,
sure.
Guy.
Yes.
Next.
Now, also, I received this gnome. I didn't have a name to it, but I'm thinking it's Abby. So if I'm not correct, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much, Abby. If this is from you.
Yeah, because there was nobody put a return.
Because she gave you the apron and the hat, and then there was no name on this, but I think it was Abby.
Thank you, Abby. You're the best.
The other thing was
Little Abe.
I got little Abe again. And this one was from Chris Chiavaroli. Chiavaroli?
I think you're close either way.
He says, sorry your brother and Joe stole your gnome. Here's one to replace the one Jackie fell on. Enjoy. Thank you so much, Chris. This is my Abe. I'm actually maybe going to take a black magic marker or something nice and write just Abe on here, and he's going to stay in the house.
And that's what I thought was a good idea, because you said that in the previous video that you wanted to keep it inside, and I think if something means that much to you, you do have to keep it safe, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, definitely. This fella here, he's going to go outside because I have a flag that says it's 5 o'clock somewhere with gnomes on it too. So, yes. Okay.
Very nice. It was it was good, and we greatly appreciated it. Is there any? I think there was. We covered a lot of other stuff in there that we wanted.
Yeah. Well, I do know. I went off on a. Are you okay?
No, I just muscle spasm. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
I did go off on a little bit of a tangent about M&M peanuts, not being able to find them.
Right. Yeah, it was kind of weird.
I don't know if anybody else is having a problem finding M&M peanuts, but it seems like they're not.
And we shop.
They're not stocked up or something. So.
And we shop at the Walmart mega store, like in Vineland, which is a town, town
even
over.
Other places I haven't seen the big yellow bag. I see like the caramel ones, the peanut butter ones, and the regular plain M&Ms. But he loves the peanuts, and I looked online and I saw there's a peanut not a shortage, but I guess there's going to be a shortage.
Yep, short peanuts. I mean peanuts.
No.
Yeah, short of. It's such. I don't know. I have such a problem saying it.
Okay. And I think it's probably a whole bunch of issues that they can't have it. They have droughts. They have energy problems, rising costs, labor issues.
Labor issues is a big problem.
I know.
Everybody got to get their asses back to work.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm all for retiring early, but good God, get back to work.
Yeah. I don't know. Everywhere I go, they need help. They need help. Restaurants are closing because they don't have help.
Minimum wages are up.
They need workers at the postal service.
And I used to like it. I worked at the postal service back in the late '90s, just as a part-time gig, and I loved it there. If they'd have made me full-time, I'd have stayed there.
There's got to be something for. I mean, not everybody loves their job, but there's got to be something that you.
Right. There's plenty of jobs out there that test the waters. To see. Oh, I don't like it. Let me move on to something else.
Yeah. Right.
Everybody can't be a gynecologist in a woman's prison. I mean, or.
Oh my God. Jeez.
Or a water sprayer at the Alka-Seltzer factory. I mean, I don't know.
What?
A water sprayer at an Alka-Seltzer factory. Get it? Because remember how Alka-Seltzer bubbles up all over the place? And never mind. It's just stupid shit. Stupid shit that goes through my head.
Yes. Okay.
But what was the other thing? Yeah, we talk about Benny T?
We did talk about Benny T.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So we talked about the wedding.
The hearing
problem. Oh, okay.
Yes.
I can't remember from the first clip what was covered and what wasn't. I didn't want to leave anything out because, unfortunately, I thought the first video was really good, and then.
So what are you trying to say?
No, I'm still saying this one isn't going to be good, but I'm just saying.
Let me just tell you, this camera is a Sony ZV-1, which. I have to look up why
We don't play it for over 15 minutes because it seemed to shut off.
Yeah, but I don't know why it did that. If it was the heat or I have no idea. It's just beyond me.
So would this be good if I had this cut as an earring? Or how about a nose ring? Is the G right? Okay. They're just different things. It goes through my head. I don't know what to do here. So I think we covered everything that was from the previous video, and we appreciate everybody. Hey, everybody have a great day. And a good life.